My Testable Minds review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review about Testable Minds. Maybe asking yourself, can you make money here with Testable Minds? Is Testable Minds legit or a scam? Okay, but first of all, guys, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about Testable Minds. Testable Minds, this is a legit online platform that you can make money here, guys. Okay, but how much you can make, I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so what you have to do here, guys, the way that Testable Minds works is that you have to do some research. Okay, there are some tasks that you have to do in order to get paid here with Testable Minds, guys. Okay, I said that lend your mind into science. Okay, you have to use your minds. You have to be very creative here on this platform in order to use this platform, guys. Okay, mean that, okay, Testable Minds is the platform used by researchers from the world's leading universities to recruit participants for their psychological and behavioral experiments. Okay, let's see some of the tasks that you can do here, guys. Okay, these are the tasks. You can see that for this one, it's gonna pay you $2 for 20 minutes. Okay, gonna pay $2 for 20 minutes. Some of these tasks, maybe they may require you to do some audio. They may do some videos. Okay, they may require you to do some screenshots. There's so many tasks. Some of them may require you to do some multiple choice. Okay, some of them they may require you to do some surveys, guys. Okay, so if you pass this kind of thing, you will earn that $2, but it's not guaranteed, guys. Okay, it doesn't mean that whenever you do some of these tasks, you'll earn that $2 after 20 minutes. It's not guaranteed. If you failed this research, you don't earn nothing. Okay, those are the things that I don't like about this kind of platform, is that let's say that you spend 30 minutes on this task, your goal is to earn $3 for 30 minutes. After you fail this task, you will not earn $1, guys. You will not earn a dime. So those are that I don't recommend about this. Okay, so as you can see that these are the tasks that you have to do. Okay, depending on the location, guys. Okay, they may be different, guys. Okay, depending on the location, depending whenever you are in the world. Okay, they might be different, guys. Okay, all of these tasks, you have to see how many minutes you have to spend, and also the amount of money you have to do. Okay, the amount of money the amount of money you'll get paid. Okay, so you can just register, guys. Okay, you can just register. If you are trying to register as temporary, just try within a few weeks. Okay, they're gonna accept your application. Just click here to get started. Okay, they will accept your application, guys. Okay, but this is a legit way, guys, to make money online. But how much you can make? Maybe you can make maybe $10, $9, $5. Okay, that's too bad, guys. Okay, but if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online, guys, okay, without wasting your time, guys, earning these $2, $1.70, guys, because your time, it is valuable enough, guys. Okay, I remember failing for 4 years doing this kind of website, guys, trying to make money online. I never make any money until I found high ticket affiliate marketing. That helped me to make over $1,000 per sale, guys, with high ticket affiliate marketing. Now I'm able to quit my I did quit my job, and also now I have financial freedom thanks to high ticket affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, if you want that training, guys, that helped me to make over $1,000 per sale, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible, guys. Take care, and may God bless you sharp.